Gopal. Okay, we have it from Gopal. He wants to know as to what could be the long-term target for NTPC. He's holding 100 shares bought at 438 a piece. Kush, I'll come to you on this one. 1 year target for this particular counter.
Well, I think from a near-term perspective, there's very evidently, pressure. But again, let's recall the fact that this stock has actually moved all the way from 120 somewhere in mid 2022 to about 400 rupees. So this profit booking in the larger context of things is actually par for the course. Now it's got a strong support zone near the 300 310 mark, while it is still lower than the current price and of course lower than the buying price. It's not a bad idea to hold this with a stop loss of 300. I wouldn't be surprised to see, in the weeks or months to come, an upside on this one. So on the way up, the first target for me on this one is 375. Once that is taken out, you're looking at a 410, 415 kind of a level as well. So he might perhaps have to exit at cost, but it's still a stock that you'd want to hold on to for a year's time frame.
All right. So that's the view on NTPC. Puneet is calling us from Himachal Pradesh. Puneet, namaskar. How can we help you today?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, actually, I holding Mahindra and Mahindra shares 1,092 at a price of 3,009. Sir, I want to know your view on this share. I purchased this share due to the expansion of EV segment of Mahindra and Mahindra.
Okay. और आपने इसके अलावा आपने स्टडी किया कंपनी को, आपने ट्रैक्टर डिवीजन के बारे में कुछ पढ़ा है उनके
ऑटोमोबाइल अभी मतलब इनका जो ट्रैक्टर डिवीजन था वो थोड़ा अभी रूरल में थोड़ा अच्छा हुआ है एज कम्पेयर टू जो पहले से अच्छा है और मैंने आपके चैनल से आई फॉलो योर आस्क प्रॉफिट चैनल एंड आई जस्ट कलेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम योर चैनल इटसेल्फ सर
जी जी ओके थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट एंड यू आर ओके टू होल्ड फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म राइट पुनीत
Yes, approximately more than 5 years.
More than 5 years, okay. All right, so Rajesh, from that perspective, very long-term holding, and generally what works is that one of the two divisions actually picks up. Of course, everyone's talking about the EVs, very glitzy cars launch, but ultimately you're talking about the tractor division, which continues to have a lot of share of revenue, and the margins actually come from the farm equipment sector. A lot of people don't pay attention to that. The higher margins are there. So what are you paying attention to? Would you hold for the next 5 years?
Of course, yes. Although the fact is it has run up quite a lot in the last 1 year or so, giving phenomenal return, but still, as you said, even the tractors division is doing well. Passenger car segment is doing well, and December quarter car sales number has been very good. They have reported 18% jump in SUV sales. The Thar Rocks and XUV has been taken very well by the market. The waiting period is quite high, and not to forget the farm equipment business that is doing well. Balance sheet is very strong. Recently, there was a news that in the EVs ventures, they have got good amount of money into that. So everything is going well for the company. There might be some bout of correction in between, but for a long horizon, I think it's quite a good stock in the auto space. So one should continue to hold.
To hold is the call coming in on M&M. We have a next query on Raymond and Raymond Lifestyle. We don't have the viewer name. Okay, we have the viewer name. Anant is asking, he's saying that he's bought Raymond in 2021 before demerger, and now he has shares of both the companies, and he wants a long-term view on both of these counters. Rajesh, I'll come to you on this one. What is your view on both Raymond Limited as well as Raymond Lifestyle? Raymond Limited will also again get demerged into Raymond Realty as well as Raymond Limited.
You said it right. Raymond has got that reality thing with it, and that's doing very well. The kind of valuation it has, I think there's a lot of upside left into this. Maybe a target of 200 odd rupees in the near future is quite possible. And Raymond Lifestyle, it's a recently listed company, but the numbers have been good. The kind of demerger we have seen, and the focus entirely now onto lifestyle business is going to give good returns in the long term. So both are a hold from our side.